What's up guys, John from johnmcneil.com here, and in this video today I really want to talk about something that's very important, and that is having cash flow in your business. Now, one of the reasons that a lot of affiliate marketers fail when they first start out is they don't get enough cash flow generating in their business early on to actually sustain their business. They may be promoting on networks or affiliate products that have these long payout cycles. I mean, there's networks and affiliate products that I promote that, you have to wait 60 days sometimes to actually get your money. So there's clawbacks, there's this, there's that. And when you actually spend 30, 40 bucks on some advertising and you make $100, but you got to wait 60 days to get that money back to go ahead and reinvest some money so you can continue to grow your business, it really hurts your pocket in the meantime. So in this video today, guys, I want to show you guys 5 affiliate networks that actually will pay you with PayPal, and the majority of them that I'm going to be showing you guys today will almost pay you instantly as soon as you make the sale. So this is important to interject some of these affiliate products in your business so that you won't have a cash flow problem and that you can actually still sustain your business so that you can go ahead and keep moving forward, investing in it, and then growing it as you go. So let's just go on and jump into this video. I'm going to be talking about the 5 affiliate networks that use PayPal. We're starting right now. All right, guys, we're going to jump right into this video. And the first network that I'm going to highly suggest you guys use is called the Warrior Plus. And you can get to it at thewarriorplus.com. Now, the Warrior Plus is going to have a ton of products. A ton of products are launched every single day on this platform. And they have a ton of products in the Make Money Online affiliate marketing space. And you can actually get instant payments on these products. Now, if you're a brand spanking new beginner and you're just starting out, you won't be able to get the instant payments right up front. You do have to have a certain amount of sales built into it. I'm not sure of the exact number. I think there's some sort of algorithm or formula that they use, but initially there's like a 30-day lag or delay on your payments, and then after you make a certain amount of sales, it'll drop that down to a 15-day delay, and then after that it will just be instant payments, and you're just like printing money as you're making the sales. So again, once you pass that threshold, you can get instant payments. You make a sale, it literally goes through their payment gateway and drops the money directly into your PayPal account. You can withdraw that money the same day or next day, and it's in your bank account within 24 hours. Now, they sell a lot of low price products, somewhere between $5 and $20. But the good thing about Warrior Plus is they do have a lot of upsells within their funnels. And I've seen upsells as high as like $197. So you have the ability to make, a lot more than $5 and $20 because of the funnels that people create in their products. The number 2 network is Jvzoo, and you can get there by going to jvzoo.com. And on this network, they have a lot of products that are software related in the Make Money Online affiliate marketing, internet marketing space. So they have like squeeze page generators, ebook generators, video makers. I think one of the top selling products on Jvzoo that sold like over 100,000 units is the Video Maker FX. I talked about that on this channel a lot, and you can actually create videos without showing your face, and it's use animation and everything like that. So it's really cool. So if you're looking for software related products that you can use and sell in your business, Jvzoo is a good place to become an affiliate. And you can also get instant payments as well. This is more driven by the vendor's discretion. So if a vendor is selling a product, they can get you on what they call an instant payment, or they can put you on like a delayed payment. So once you start generating some sales within the network, typically you can get the instant payments, or if they already know you and you have a prior relationship with them, you can get instant payments as well. And the price products that you'll find on Jvzoo, I've seen them as low as $7 and as high as $197, but a great place to actually find some products to sell to your market space. Number 3 is pay.com.com. Some of you guys may not have heard of this site, but it's called pay.com.com, and it's a kind of a crossbreed between training and software in the make money online space. A lot of the vendors that have products on like Jvzoo and some even on the Warrior Plus, they'll put their products here on pay.com as well, because you have like a totally different type of affiliate on this actual network. Because Jvzoo and Warrior Plus is probably like your mainstream networks, but there's definitely still a lot of affiliates on pay.com, and you can definitely get some instant payments as well. Again, this is up to the vendor's discretion. If they know you, you can probably get the instant payments, but you can definitely find some different type products on there. I check it out periodically because I've found some kind of diamond in the rough products that I haven't seen out there in the marketplace that I've been able to sell and make some commissions on. Price points from low to mid-ticket products, somewhere ranging between $5 and $97 per product. Number 4 is Max Bounty. So Max Bounty is a CPA network, if you guys didn't know. And with Max Bounty, there's going to be multiple types of offers that you can actually sell. They have everything from make money online to health and fitness to finance to politics to you name it. They have tons of offers, and essentially you can actually get paid on a weekly basis straight into your PayPal account after the first initial payment. And in that first initial payment, you do have to generate at least $100, and they'll give you that payment. And then after that, you can actually get weekly payments, and they will deposit it right into your PayPal account. And basically with CPA, if you guys aren't familiar with it, you're just basically getting paid to get someone to take an action. So that could be for somebody to fill out an application, to fill out a form, to give an email address, to buy a small tier product. And you can get a variety of commissions. You can get anywhere from $1 for getting someone to submit their name into a form, or you can make $80 to get somebody to purchase a $10 product, because whoever that vendor is has a big back end, and they know that they're going to make that money back tenfold. And what they're just trying to do is get affiliates to generate customers from them, because they know once they have a customer, they can get a lot of money on the back end. But again, you can make a lot of money with CPA marketing, and Max Bounty specifically will actually pay you directly to your PayPal. And last but not least, you guys probably wouldn't have thought I would have listed this one, is Clickfunnels. And Clickfunnels, a lot of you guys probably know what Clickfunnels is, but it's a sales funnel software creator where you can make squeeze pages and sales funnels and webinar pages and membership sites and all of the stuff that has to do with affiliate marketing. And what I want you guys to know is, first of all, they actually do have an affiliate program that's really good. And the reason why people make a lot of money with their affiliate program is because this is a software tool that actually everyone needs to man their business. So I don't care if you're doing make money online, or you're selling weight products, or you're selling, products in the finance niche, you're going to need some sort of website, some sort of sales funnel to take customers from a prospect all the way to the point where they're actually hitting the buy button and making a purchase. So this is a good software or a good product that you guys could actually promote and make 40% commissions. The base plan is $97, so you'll make about $40 per sale, but it's recurring, so those recurring payments could actually add up. Also, I'm not sure if you guys know that with Clickfunnels, they actually do have the ability to promote your own product on there. So if you create a product or you have a program, you can actually put that on Clickfunnels and actually use it as an actual affiliate network. So you can have other affiliates sign up to your product, and you can pay them through their Clickfunnels affiliate network. Obviously, there's an additional upcharge if you wanted to do that, but some of the big marketers, they have affiliate programs through Clickfunnels. So you can see when you log into their affiliate center, they'll have the platform that looks just like Clickfunnels, and they're able to pay you through that platform right into your PayPal account. So these are the 5 different affiliate networks that you guys can absolutely jump on right now and start getting payments to your PayPal. So again, this is going to be good, and this is going to help you with cash flow so that you're promoting some of these products that are actually going to get you paid instantly, so that you can kind of continue pushing your business forward, putting business money into advertising and growing it exponentially so that you can get to your desired goal at the end. So that's basically all I have for today, guys. In the comment section, let me know other other affiliate networks that I may not have mentioned here that you know that pay with PayPal and that pay instantly or within 30 days, go ahead and leave that in the comment section below. I love to hear about all the different affiliate networks or products that are going to pay with PayPal so that we can all learn from each other. And also in the description, I'll have my #1 recommended resource that I make money with affiliate marketing. So you can go ahead and check that link in the description. It'll be the first link. And that's all I have for today. Make sure you like the video, guys. Subscribe to the channel by clicking on that little blue John McNeil icon. I should be over here or over there somewhere on this page. Click the icon and subscribe to me, because every week I'm going to release some videos about how you actually generate money with your internet and a laptop. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.